Okay, picture this. There's a city in China where a phone can be built in less than a day. Yeah, you heard that right. Welcome to Shenzhen, the Silicon Valley of hardware. And today, I'm diving into the top 8 tech wonders this city is unleashing on the world. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. Super fast prototyping. Shenzhen is the only place on Earth where you can design, source, and assemble a gadget, all before lunch. Whole factories pivot overnight to turn your sketches into real working products. Chapter 2. Futuristic drones. You know those epic drone shots in movies? Thanks Shenzhen. Companies like DJI call this city home, and they're making drones smarter, faster, and nearly impossible to crash. Chapter 3. 5G. Everything Shenzhen is drowning in 5G, from phones to self-driving buses. The city is basically a living, breathing testbed for the future of wireless tech. Chapter 4. The world's biggest electronics market, Huaqiang Bay. It's a labyrinth of electronic parts, gadgets, and knock-your-socks-off inventions. You can find anything from a single LED to a robot dog. Chapter 5. Robotic delivery packages. Zoom to your door with self-driving robots. Yeah, Shenzhen streets are full of roving bots bringing takeout, groceries, and even coffee. Chapter 6. Electric vehicles. Almost all public buses and taxis here are electric. In fact, Shenzhen was the first major city to go fully electric. Chapter 7. Smart wearables. From health trackers to AR glasses, Shenzhen churns out wearables that make James Bond jealous, and you can buy them for next to nothing. Chapter 8. AI-powered factories. Factories here run on AI. They're self-optimizing, efficient, and can spot defects before you even know they exist. Quick fact before you go: Shenzhen creates more new tech startups than anywhere else in the world, every single day. If you're a tech lover, Shenzhen is basically your Disneyland. Smash that like button if you want more mind-blowing tech stories.